What's up guys, welcome back to MotoRevs 27. And today we're taking a look at the new 2027 Husqvarna FC 250, a lightweight 250 motocross machine built to win at the highest level of racing. This bike already has championship-winning DNA from MX2 and AMA Supercross, but for 2027, Husqvarna continues refining the formula with advanced electronics, premium hardware, and razor-sharp handling. So, what's actually new, and why is this bike such a serious MX2 weapon? Let's get into it. At the heart of the FC 250 is a compact 250 cubic centimeters DOHC 4-stroke engine producing an impressive 47 horsepower while weighing only around 26 kilograms. And yes, this thing revs all the way, too. That high-revving character is made possible thanks to DLC-coated finger followers, titanium valves, and super lightweight forged piston design. The result? Explosive top-end power, aggressive acceleration, and an engine that feels absolutely built for racing. But Husqvarna didn't just focus on power. The chromium molybdenum steel frame has been engineered for improved flex characteristics and better cornering stability. Combined with a lightweight polyamide aluminum subframe, the FC 250 feels incredibly agile while still staying planted at high speed. Suspension duties are handled by XACT components front and rear, including 48mm USD forks and a linkage rear shock setup. This gives the bike a factory-level feel straight out of the showroom. And when it comes to technology, the FC 250 is seriously impressive for a 250 motocross bike. You get selectable engine maps, traction control, launch control, and even a Quickshifter system that allows clutchless upshifts under full throttle. That's the kind of tech you'd expect from a factory race machine. Premium components complete the package, including Dunlop MX34 tires, Pro Taper handlebars, ODI grips, a lightweight exhaust system, and a high-performance Pankel 5-speed gearbox. So overall, the 2027 Husqvarna FC 250 continues to push the limits of what a modern 250F motocross bike can be. It's fast, lightweight, packed with technology, and clearly designed for serious racers and aggressive riders. But what do you guys think? Would you take the FC 250 over the CRF 250R, YZ 250F, or KTM 250S XF? Let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motocross and motorcycle content here on MotoRevs 27.